to my channel. Before we get into it, just wanted to give a shout out to Cute Burgundy Yeti. We did collaborate on this video and she helped me out with a couple of the different deals that we have that I'm about to show you. So make sure you check out her information. Her info for her page is going to be linked below. Make sure you go over and show her some support. Give her a subscribe as well and help both of our channels grow. So let's get into the deals. Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to another Walgreens haul. This is my second Walgreens haul for the week and I'm using the 20% off of $20 coupon that I got on the app. So make sure you guys are checking those every week. Excuse the setup, I sold my kitchen table the other day, so we're getting a new one tomorrow. So that's why this is what we're working with today, so bear with me. Let's dive into the deals. Say hi. Riley, you need to go eat. Okay, so the first deal is gonna be on Colgate mouthwash. You can also get the toothpaste, but I don't have any of the mouthwash and I have about 80 tubes of toothpaste, so that's why I wanted to get this instead. The deal is buy one, get a $3 register reward. They are $4.99. There is a $1 off coupon from coupons.com and I used the 20% off deal as well, so check out the in-store video. Colgate is on sale for $4.99. Buy one, get a $3 register reward. So I picked up the last one here. It has to be above 400 milliliters. I'm gonna use this coupon, $1 off one from coupons.com. It should still be available so you can print it out. Then with the 20% off, it's gonna wind up making it absolutely free after the $3 register reward. Okay, so after the 20% off that I had, it took off an additional 99 cents. I paid $3 out of pocket and then I got a $3 register reward, so it wound up making it absolutely free. And that register reward looks like this. So this will print at the register for you after your transaction. The next deal I did is on the toffee. I've never tried these before, but they're hazelnut, caramel hazelnut cream, and chocolate. It's a 4-piece. These are the small ones. They are 2 for $2.29. So I picked up 2 of these. We had 2 coupons as well from the 9/8 Retail Me Not. So check out the in-store video to see what those coupons look like. Okay, so we're gonna pick up 2 of these toffee. They are 2 for $2.29. We're gonna use 2 of these coupons from the 9/8 Smart Source. It's gonna make that just 29 cents. I'm also pairing this with a 20% off deal, so the final pricing will be in the breakdown. Okay, so with that 20% off, took off an additional 22 cents. I wound up paying just 7 cents for both of these, so not a bad deal there. The Kellogg's cereal is another deal. There's a couple, let me get all organized here. A couple different ways you can do it. The Honey Nut Frosted Flakes, they're all on sale for $1.99. If you go on kellogg's.com, you can print off a 70 cents off one box. So it would wind up making the deal cheaper for you out of pocket. I only had 1 of those, so I didn't use that coupon. I used a $1 off 2 coupon from our previous inserts. So check out the in-store video for some different varieties that you could pick up. Is on sale for $1.99. 2 different scenarios. For the Honey Nut Frosted, if you go on kellogg's.com, you can print a 70 cents off one. If you print 2 of these and get 2 of them, it's gonna make for a better deal. I only have 1 of them, so I'm gonna use this coupon instead. It's a $1 off 2 from the 8.25 Retail Me Not. So that is the only deal that I have. Otherwise, I just have the 1 70-cent off coupon. And there are Ibotta rebates on this, so stay tuned for that in the final breakdown and my 20% off. Okay, so final on those, you're gonna pick up 2, it's gonna be $3.98. You're gonna use that $1 off 2 coupon from the 8.25 Retail Me Not insert. You're also going to submit it for Ibotta. There is a 40 cents off this one and 40 cents off this one that you see here in the top right corner. So then also when you submit for 2 different flavors, you're gonna get another 50-cent bonus. The 20% off coupon that I had took off an additional 79 cents. Final out of pocket for me was just 89 cents for both, or 45 cents each. So that's a very hot deal on cereal. If you need some, it's definitely a good stock up price. Even if you don't have the 20% off coupon, I highly recommend picking up a few different boxes. The next deal is on DiGiorno. So this is the Rising Crust. It is the like 12-inch or something. It's in the freezer section, sorry. So they are on sale 2 for $10, a couple different varieties. I got the Supreme and the Meat Lovers. There is a $3 off 2 digital coupon that actually didn't attach in my transaction, so I have to call Walgreens and get those points back. But the 20% off that I had did come off. So with that digital, if it does attach for you guys, the final price is gonna be just $5 for 2 of them, or $2.50 each, which is a really good deal, especially when regular price, they're $5.99. The next deal, okay, the P&G deal. So, some regions got $2 off coupons in their inserts. My region did not. I was trying to find them online to purchase them from We Coupon Clips and the Coupon Marketplace, but both were sold out, so I figured I would just do the deal anyway. The deal is buy 3 and you're gonna get a $3 register reward. So everything is on sale for $2.99 each. It is only on the Tide Simply, not the normal orange bag of Tide. It's just the Tide Simply. So this is 13 packs. They are $2.99. There is a digital coupon for $2 off for the Tide Simply Pods. Then I got the Tide Simply Liquid, a couple different versions of this, so check out the in-store video.
P&G time. So it is on the Tide Pods. It's buy 3, get a $3 register reward, sorry. $3 register reward. The bounce is included. The Tide Simply Liquid. So it's only on the Tide Simply. It's not on the regular Tide. So you have to pick up the Tide Simply. I'm gonna pick up one of these because my region did not get the coupon in the insert. We only got the digital coupon. So there's a $2 off coupon for that. And then I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. There is a $1 off 2 coupon, a couple different varieties. There's Fresh and Clean, there's Oxy, and then there's this Fresh and Clean. I don't know the difference, probably the scent. Yeah, this is Refreshing, I can't even talk today. Refreshing Breeze, and this one is Daybreak Fresh. I don't know, I feel like it's the same thing. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. What's my second one gonna be? I'll do the Oxy, oh no, okay, so now look, Oxy is 20 loads. These are 22 loads. So again, more bang for your buck. Let's get this one. So really good deal on those for the $3 register reward.
Okay, so after the $1 off coupon of 2, so it's 50 cents coming off each of them, you're going to pay $5.90. I had that 20% off coupon again, so that took off an additional $1.79. I paid $4.18 out of pocket, got a $3 register reward back, which looks like this. Wait, oh, that was this one. Okay, which looks like this. So final cost for me was just $1.18 for all 3 items. So I plan on donating these to the disaster relief for Hurricane Dorian to the Bahamas. So that's why I went ahead and did this deal, because it only cost me $1.18 for all 3 items. So I thought that was a super hot deal, especially if you plan on donating. I highly recommend picking up some of these deals. I called today and there's a ton of these items that they can use. Hygiene items, toothpaste, food, you name it. So pretty much this entire haul you can probably donate. The next deal I want to do is on the pasta. So there's 2 different deals that you can do for the pasta. So check out the in-store video.
Barilla pasta is on sale, buy 1, get 1 free. So there's 2 different scenarios. One is for the box pasta. Gonna pick up 4 of them. It's going to be like $4.40 or something. You're gonna use this $1 off coupon from the 9/8 Retail Me Not. Again, I'm pairing this with the 20% off. Or you can do the Barilla Ready pasta. There is a $1 off coupon in the Savings Star, so make sure you click that to your card, to your account before you go shopping. That is one you have to do beforehand. There's also a $1 off too from the 728 Retail Me Not, I believe. I don't have that, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 4 of these.
Okay, so the deal I did is on the boxes, not the ready pasta, because again, I didn't have that $1 off 2 coupon. So these are, the penny is the only version they have. If you go to like Walmart or something, obviously they're gonna have a bunch more varieties, but the best deal this week is to do it at Walgreens because they're buy one, get one free. They also have the spaghetti. So these are the only 2 varieties. I got 2 of these and 2 of these. They are $2.19, I believe, each. And they are both buy one, get one free. Also using that $1 off 4 coupon from our 9/8 Retail Me Not, so this previous weekend's inserts. Then with the 20% off, took off another 80 cents for me. Final cost was 54 cents per box of pasta, so that's definitely a great deal. If you want to do that ready pasta instead, you can, especially if you have that $1 off 2 coupon. Go ahead and do that one because it winds up being less out of pocket with the Savings Star rebate. So for Savings Star, if you need to know how to sign up, look in the description box and the code and everything is going to be there. Just make sure you activate that rebate before you go shopping because that's very important. You won't be able to do it afterwards. The next deal that I did is on the Bic razors. So I got this deal from Cute Burgundy Yeti. So make sure you check her out. Here is her page and information right here. I will also link it in the description box. So check her out. It's always good to subscribe to multiple different channels for couponing. Everyone's gonna come up with some different deals and have some different ideas. So we were able to bounce these off each other and make up for some additional deals. So definitely check her out. I unfortunately made a mistake on this deal. So the booklet, the IVC booklet for Walgreens for September has a $1 off on Bic disposable razors, but it's only a 4-pack to a 12-pack, and this is a 2-pack. So don't buy these. I did, but don't buy these. They have like the Bic Soleil 4-pack, and I think 6-pack are also included. So make sure you guys pick those up. So the deal is buy 2, get 3,000 points. So they're 2 for $11. There is a $3 off coupon from the 9/8 Smart Source. The coupon limit on that is 1 per person, per day, per something. So you can only use 1. So make sure you're checking that. They may not let you use 2. It may be at the register. So there was also one from bic.com. I don't know if it's still available, but check it out. You can download that one. That's another $3 off. So when you use both of those, plus the IVC, it'll come off $1 each. Again, make sure you purchase the correct Bic Soleil, the 4-pack up to the 12-pack. With the 20% off, it's gonna wind up paying $1.20 out of pocket. You're gonna get back 3,000 points, so it makes it free, plus a $1.80 moneymaker when you do it the right way. So make sure you do that. Very hot deal. You can get some free razors and actually make a little bit of money on it as well. I did it again for the men's. So these are the men's version that are on sale, 2 for $11, same deal. Buy 2, get 3,000 points. This is just like 1 razor with like a million refills. So again, the IVC didn't work. I don't know if there even was a version that the IVC booklet would have worked on, so you can always take a look. So the pricing on these, 2 for $11. There is $3 off printable coupons again from bic.com. So take a look at that website, see what is left, and you can print those out. Use 2 different browsers and you can print out 2 of them to use on this transaction. So final cost on these is going to be $3.20. You're gonna get back 3,000 points. So it should be just 20 cents for both or 10 cents each. So not a bad deal. Again, if you wanna donate these, I recommend it. They certainly need it in the Bahamas. So I believe those are all the deals. Oh, 1 more. Oh, 2 more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Snuggle. So these are buy 1, get 1 free. and they smell really good. There's a little scratch and sniff right here, so you can sniff it in the store. Make sure you like the scent. So these are buy one, get one free. They are $6.99. I wasn't even planning on doing this deal, but I bought a rebates, which I need for my bonus, and with the 20% off coupon, it wound up being a super good deal.
Okay, so for the snuggle, I had to do a voiceover because I didn't realize, I forgot I had clipped. There is a $3 off one coupon for the 2-pack or 3-pack of the Snuggle oil refills. So clip that to your card, and this will be a moneymaker for you as well. You're gonna pick up 2 at $6.99. That $3 off is gonna come off for you. So then you're going to wind up paying $3.99. You're going to submit it for Ibotta, $1.50 back each. With the 20% off coupon as well, the final cost winds up being a 40-cent moneymaker. So definitely make sure you head out and pick these up.
The last deal is on the Crest Scope again. I did this deal again. It is buy 2, get a $4 register reward. They're on sale for, I don't even remember. Yes, so buy 2, get a $4 register reward. They're on sale for $2.99 each. Buy 2 is going to be $5.98. You're going to use the $2 off digital coupon. This is the variety I got. There's plenty of varieties available. The 20% off coupon takes off another $1.19. So these both wound up being free, plus a $1.29 moneymaker. So definitely a very hot deal. That is all the deals that I have. Wound up making for a really good haul. Just watch your digital coupons. Some come off, some don't. Like I said, that DiGiorno did not. Last time I did a video for my first haul, the $2 off Crest didn't come off. So just make sure you're watching your receipt. If there's anything that didn't come off, you can just call the customer service line and they'll give it back to you. They don't even try to fight with you, anything like that. They know there are some technical issues, so don't worry about that. If you have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching.